Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Offers effortless, full integration with popular game titles and syncs with Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Optimized gaming surface. Features a micro-textured surface for precise pixel tracking, calibrated for all mouse sensors, with a surface coating for both fast and controlled playstyles. Nonslip rubber base. Made of natural foam rubber for keeping the Firefly Hard V2 mouse mat in place. Built-in mouse cable manager. Keeps wires mice in place for organizing and mouse bungee-like functionality. Top reviews from the United States. Cool little pad. Nice pad for the price to add a little color to a desk setup. Integrates with the Razer Synapse app well, with some simple presets if you don't want to do a bunch of intense RGB customization, but there are some custom options if you do. I wish there was a way to force different devices to be forced offset, rather than in sync, for more of a rainbow look across different devices.